Hello Aquarians, welcome to my channel Surabhi, and in this video we'll see what are the messages for you. And as you know, they are general readings. They may or may not resonate with each and every one of you, so just take what resonates and leave the rest. For the personal readings, the details are given in the description box below. So let's see what are the messages for Aquarians. Okay, so we have the Ace of Wands, the Nine of Wands, and the Four of Pentacles, the Knight of Cups, the Two of Pentacles, the Queen of Swords, the Devil, the Magician, and the Lovers. Okay. So Aquarians, we have the Ace of Wands, the Nine of Wands, and the Four of Pentacles. So you're wanting a new beginning. That's what I feel. Okay, it's been a long time that you are wanting a new beginning. You're holding on to it. You're wanting it secretly. You're definitely something which you are really, really passionate about. And you are working hard for it, but you're not getting the rewards of it. Something like that. Okay. Just waiting for the rewards to come in, basically. You're waiting for this new beginning or waiting for the rewards to come in for something you started new. It can be that also. So maybe you're waiting for the new beginning, or maybe you are waiting for the results or the rewards of that new beginning, whatever it was, and it's really close to your heart. You've been working hard on it. Okay, then we have the Knight of Cups, the Two of Pentacles, and the Queen of Swords. So I think it is a indecision between your mind and the heart. There is something here. There is a situation which is making you really indecisive, and it is something which a decision which has to be taken between your emotions and your logical thinking. So your emotions say something, your thoughts say something else, and that is what you are trying to balance. Okay, so there is an indecisiveness is because of your brain, what your head says, what your logical thinking says, and what your emotions say. It's something like that. Then we have the Devil, the Magician, and the Lovers. So here it is a new beginning towards building up of a new partnership, or it can be a friendship, it can be a romantic relationship, whatever it is something. So maybe this is the indecisiveness which is being there between the heart and the mind. Okay, and you want a new beginning, you are thinking, it's like putting all your efforts into it, and it's not acting on the impulse. So maybe you're able to reach that balance. Maybe you're able to reach some decision to go ahead with whatever this new beginning is for you, whatever this new partnership is for you, whatever this new relationship is for you. So you are ready to move ahead into this. But with the Devil being there, which doesn't seem to be very healthy, there is something here which still needs to be corrected. There is something here which still needs to be sorted out as to what this devil is. Is it some sort of a temptation? Is it a repetition of a cycle? Is it some pattern? What it is which has to be addressed. There is something here which still needs to be taken care of, in spite of you doing that logical thinking, in spite of you trying to weigh the pros and cons of to heart and the mind, in spite of you doing that. And then finally it sort of come, I'm saying sort of because the devil is showing up. So there is still something which needs to be worked upon before you plunge into this new beginning of this new partnership, or this new friendship, or this romantic relationship. There's still something which needs to be sorted out and corrected. Anyway, we have the Seven of Diamonds. It is sheer happiness and bliss, Aquarians. Guidance from the angels, Two of Action. Trust in your ability to make excellent choices. There is opportunity all around you if you just continue to move forward. It may be time to take on a new partner who can help you to be a success in your career or creative endeavors. Keep your eyes on the big picture rather than the details of the moment. So Aquarians, that's all I have for you. Hope it helps, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Bye. Thank you.